Today I bring you a new product from the M Factory, the new Pilot series, which is made of titanium. The entire watch case and the buckle are made of titanium metal, so it's very light, although it looks big. Let me show you. I weighed it before shooting the video. The weight of the whole watch is 88 grams. The size is 43 millimeters and the thickness is 14.4. Let me use the caliper to measure it. First, measure the thickness. 14.4. Then measure the diameter. It's standard 43. Because the entire M and this shell are all mold, so the size and thickness are the same and the material is the same. It's made of titanium metal. It's very light. It looks very big. In fact, the weight, it's not as heavy as this small one. Let's take a closer look at the workmanship details. This watch glass is a sapphire glass mirror which is already standard, and the IWC series have been treated with blue film coating. The watch glass is coated with a layer of blue film so it reflects this blue light, which is very beautiful and very textured, and its important function is to prevent dizziness. That is to say, when we look at the watch, staring at the watch for a long time, we won't feel dizzy, and the dial also has a matte texture. Is black, which is a bit reflective, which may be difficult to focus on. The Arabic numerals on the inner ring and the ring is grey, and the other Arabic numerals are white. The luminous filling, the 3, 6, 9, 12, including the hour and minute hands, it's a beige color, are all in line. These oil-engraved words are all layered, which is very three-dimensional. It's layered. I have to say that this time, the M Factory has done a really good job, so that I made this video for you. The head is a classic onion head, and the IWC logo on the head and the IWC logo is engraved are all there. The case is made of titanium silver. It's very light. Although the watch is large, it's very light. It's not as heavy as this small-sized watch. It's not as heavy as this small one. Look at the details of the buckle. The logo on the buckle is also a deep logo. There may be a film reflecting on it. It's a deep logo. The logo of IWC is engraved very deeply. Open the inner side. There is also this logo on the inside. There are also coding scales and this position. Yes. The back cover. Is this a fighter or a bomber? This is the whole back cover has a strong three-dimensional effect. The coding on the entire back cover, the lettering is deeply engraved. It's done very well. The strap is a quick-release strap, which is also the same, and when M Family releases it, in addition, it comes with a rubber strap. There is a rubber strap. Zoom out. This rubber strap is also very well made. Maybe it is. It's also a quick-release arrow, and press the button. New products may be given away during the launch, but not in later batches. The disassembly and assembly is very simple. Press the quick release button to remove it. And put the strap on it. Just put it on like this. Just click it. Changing the strap is fast. To take it off, press this button. It's not easy to operate with gloves on. Just take it off, then buckle it on again. Align it with the position and click it. It clicks into place with a snap. The workmanship and details are very good. The standard strap of this watch is a retro-style leather strap, which is also the same material. There is also a rubber strap. As for the movement, it comes with it's written on it. I just opened it and took a look. It is indeed an 8 and 24 movement. I just opened it to show you. I just opened it. It also has the same dust cover as the original one. There is a dust-proof cover. This is the dust cover. After removing this cover, below is the movement. This is an 8 and 24 movement. It's indeed correct. In terms of operation, the function operation is also correct. Just this knob, the rotating knob, before using, turn it to the loose direction. Movement, it will pop out. Just turn it up by hand. You'll hear a squeaking sound. There is only one gear when pulling it out. There is no control gear. There is only one gear. Adjusting the time is all right. Push it back in and reset it. So this time, this M Factory, this big fly, is highly recommended. Whether it's the workmanship details or the material of the watch case or its functional operation are all correct. It also comes with a pair of this quick release necklace. The strap is cost effective. The luminous effect is also the same. The luminous effect, let me show you. The luminous effect is also the same. The green luminous effect, it's from the Pilot series. The luminous effect is unique because in order to better cruise in the direction only 3692, the hour and minute hands are also luminous. It's very beautiful and unique. Then look at its wearing effect. The wearing effect is really beautiful. If you change to a rubber strap, it will be another style. Let me show you. The quick release strap, it comes off easily. Take it off and put on the rubber strap. Let me show you. When it's out of the box, it comes with a pair of rubber straps. If you change to a rubber strap, in my opinion, wearing this rubber strap, it will look cooler. Two different styles. If you install the original strap, is more retro. This one is more retro. And then this rubber strap, it will be more handsome. For this watch model, the best, you must choose the M Factory. It is currently the best factory making this model. The workmanship details are really perfect. Zoom in for everyone. Let's take a closer look. Slow motion. Perfect. At the end of the video, let's take a look at the walking time data. It's perfect. Okay, this video, I'll just briefly talk about it here. See you next time. Bye bye.